is complete. The alarm is going off. Let's see which one picked up. Okay, picked up. All right. Perfect. This is our beautiful universal fob we programmed to this car. Button really smooth. Let's check the remote. Okay, unlock. Perfect. That's the trunk. Let's go ahead and try start the vehicle.
Remember, use promo code AFW7. Offers vary by user and location.
Vehicle running.
Offer for new users only. Go to upside.com for terms and conditions.
Park is last completed.
Now I'm running my own show.
Oh, you go, girl. That's how you better sit back into a come up. After a wreck, call James and the law at 1-800-ENTRY. They'll review your case for free and make it easy. Matter of fact, tell them Space Boy free.
Universal keys are built to exceed manufacturer specification, yet they are really nice, actually nicer than OEM fobs. If you call me, say I want a universal key, not only they cost less, but they are more durable. I ain't got no money to waste right now. Gas price took everything.